This is the signature tune of the palace of Akko Emirate, a traditional rhythm depicting royalty, power, and influence. This signature tune is strictly reserved for emirs and kings in northern Nigeria.
Ita ganga da alligator a masarauta, ita take ɗaukaka sarautar. Duk abin da ake idan muna wurin kamar an sa miya a gishiri ne.
Horses are an integral part of these traditional institutions. The majestic animal not only reflects the exclusive status of royalty, but also symbolizes the power of the monarchy.
During the jihad of Usman Danfodio, our people played a very active role in it because this is our spare area of influence.
The Fulbe people of Akko Emirate have an origin linked to the pastoralists who migrated from Fujajalo and Senegambia in West Africa. Hase Ahmadu prepares breakfast for the family. First on the menu is fresh milk.
The
Ready to explore the cultural tradition of the people of Akko Emirate in Gombe State, northeast Nigeria.